back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out. If you just saw a scary clip, hopefully then this thing turns out and works really well. But today what we've got on the bench is some of the job lot that we got from last video. I'll put the link to the video over there. That video, basically what I did do was bought a whole big job lot of RC cars for I think it was £200, $250. And in that job lot was this one. This is the one that sort of needed the most parts. Well, as I was putting this thing together, I accidentally geared it all wrong because it was all the gears I could find to sort of get it working. I just wanted to see it rolling around so I could get 4 cars rolling out of the last video. But what I accidentally done was realise that I've geared it down that low that the tyres balloon up probably to, I don't know, about here. And that's on 2S on a brushed system. Well, what we're going to do today, guys, I'm going to put a 4S battery in there. So 14.8 volts. Brushless motor. 3300 kV brushless motor. And an 150 amp brushless speed control. This is the Surpass Hobbies one. These are really good, to be honest with you. No program required or anything like that. Just straightforward 150 amp brushless speed control. 4S. So, what I'll do is, in a minute, I'll show you around the car, show you what I've done to it, show you what happens on 2S. And there's a reason there's a mask here, because on 2S, it's sort of scary a little bit because the wheels balloon up. But I think on 4S, brushless system, this thing is actually just going to maybe shoot off and damage something. So, I want my full face coverage on for that. Right, let's show you around the truck and show you the gearing. Right, here we go then, guys. So hear me out, guys. Right, I'm gonna make this thing just literally go in a straight line across the car park. It's not really RC Workshop thing going in straight lines, recording speeds, but I really am tempted to do with this. And I know everything's wrong. I know it's got plastic drive shafts, which are gonna have to replace with metal, I think, if I want to get away with this. As you can see, what I've done on the back, that is pretty meaty looking gearing. So we have got a 38 tooth spur with a 17 tooth pinion. Now, to give you an idea of the pinion that came off this one and the spur, this is the little pinion that came off it, and this is the multi-tooth spur. So you imagine how many rotations this setup is doing in comparison to this. Can't even work it out because I don't even know. But the proof's in the pudding, basically, guys. So this is on 2S brushed system. Let's just give it a whirl and show you guys how fast this spins. Here we go. Right, should we get to work and put 4S brushless system in it? Huh? Yeah, let's do it, let's do it. Brushed. Bye-bye. Oh, we have got that little brushless system in there. Big beastie 150 amp speed control. We've got no wheel on this side, by the way, guys, but we're just going to get a quick test. That meshing looks really nice. That's just on 2S. Right, let's stick the wheel on, stick the face mask on, and give this the beans and see what happens. Right then, I haven't tried this yet because I don't want to break a drive shaft, which is more than likely going to happen because we are going to have to want to upgrade this to metal. Oh, here we go then. I'm scared. You go steady. Whoa! Oh, I don't like it. Whoa! Oh my god. That is nerve-wracking that close, I tell you what. How fast do you reckon that's going to be on a car park? Really? Let me have a look at this from the side myself. Whoa! Oh my God! Yes! This, the next time you see this, guys, it will be, the next time you see this, guys, it will be going across a car park. I'm thinking 60 mile an hour at least. So we're going to strap a GPS to it and see how fast we can get this thing going across the car park. I've got to be careful with it. Like I say, I've got metal drive shafts. I'm trying not to break it, to be honest with you. I've got it working, it's nice. But I think this thing is going to take a little bit of weight on the front. So that battery might be in the right location, actually. Stick the shell over the top of that still. Oh, look at that. It was like it was made for it. There you go, like so. Drop some body pins in and we're laughing. Oh! So one more go at that. Whoa! Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah! Oh!